Hello trader, good day to you. In today's video I'll show you how to build up a square of 9 for Euro USD and how to make use of it in the future. So let's start the rock and roll. So I build up my square of 9 and now let me show you what you can do with that to improve your trading. This is the moment when the magic begins. Let's presume that on Euro USD we've got a bottom over here, somewhere here. That's the area. We are on a daily chart, Euro USD, and the bottom level of the market was on, what date was that? 1st of October 2019. So let's try to use square of 9 and basically square of 19 as it is to try to forecast what's gonna happen on the market in the future. Let's presume that we are on 1st October. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. So instead of 1, we have to put date over here, 1st of October. How to do that? Very simple. We just mark all the shit over here. We press the mouse and we get to format cells. Instead of number, we go to date. And that's the date we prefer. Third, it's at the moment is whatever it is. We press it and we've got the date. So at the beginning date, it is 31st of December 1899, long ago. We have to change it. We have to change it on 1st of October 2019. So after we entered this date, which is 01 October 2019, we got such a funny dates over here. On those lines, we might expect major changes on those lines, blue ones or the yellow ones. The yellow ones correspond for 45 degree, which is half of 90 degree. Well, WD Gun considered 45 degree as a pretty important angle. So let's see what's gonna happen. I show you something. We got something like that. This is the start of the trend, and we got here it was a small correction. Here the market topped up, then went to the bottom, then went up, and again stopped somewhere here. I want to show you one thing. On the 9th of October, so we started here, but on 9th of October we had such a situation. I'll show you on a 4-hour chart, which is over here, and 9th of October it's somewhere here. 9th of October. So it's the end of the first correction. So this was the first leg of this run. So that was the first one. The next date, 25th of October. Look here. 25th, we are here somewhere. Here is 25th of October. So we got one. Let me mark it for you. That's the one. And let's mark the other one. It's 25th of October. Look at the other date, please. 18th of November. Let's try to find it. 18th of November. It is this one. Yes, it is. Let me mark it for you. This is 18th of November. I think should be this one. Here we go. That's the one. We got 18th of November. Next one in the row, we got 20th of December. Let's find it out. December, 20th of December. Which one is that? Is this one? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So this is 20th of December. And the last one in row, we got 29th of January, which happened recently. Here, 29th of January. Let's arrow it up. As you see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turning points on the market. That's what happened. It's funny thing. So basically what you can also do, find in the same way, let me change this, let me change it to a regular numbers. Let's do it number. Let's do it okay. If we started from 1, again we've got square of 19. But if you put over here a value in pips, it will show you the progression of the price and it will show you major turning points. So if we put, for example, what was the major turning points over here? The bottom was low or close, 108.912. Just to keep it safe, let's put it like 10890 over here. 10890. We can do it this way. So we've got the value in pips, and to find turning points, I leave it for you to study or for the future video, but you can also find the way how to find it, checking my video about gun trading methods part 1, or in the video about the influence of the planets over the market prices. Just check them there if you please. Just check my videos at the end of this part, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time.